Ever wonder how a website gets built from scratch, from the very first idea to going live? Today, I am going to show you the exact process we use at VictorFlow. So far, we have completed over 200 web projects for businesses in India and the USA and UK. Out of these, 50 plus websites were built completely from scratch, while the rest were either redesigned or customized from the templates. If you are a business owner, freelancer or web designer, this video will give you a simple step-by-step guide that actually works. I am Altaf, co-founder of VictorFlow and the Webflow Premium partner. We don't make a website looks good. We make websites that help businesses grow and get results. Before we start the design process, I will quickly explain how client find us and how our pricing works. Our clients usually fit into three categories. First, businesses that need a new website, either fully custom or using a template. They usually book a call through our website or social media. Second, mostly SaaS companies and agencies. They reach out for specific tasks like fixing bugs, adding pages or new features, sometimes hourly, sometimes for a project. Third, clients who need ongoing help, especially SaaS teams that need constant updates, tests and fixes. Instead of hiring a full-time team, they subscribe to our service and we handle everything for much less. No matter the type, every project starts with a discovery call. So what happens in this call? Let me explain. First, I do a quick intro, who I am, what we do, and a little about our past projects. Then I focus on understanding your business and goals. I ask questions and take notes so the proposal fits you perfectly. Next, we look at your website and competitors. What makes you different? What's working for others? After that, we talk about your needs, features, styles, and the integrations. Then I share my approach, how I solve problems, similar projects we have done, and some tips from experience. Finally, I create a proposal with timeline, process, and cost. If it's work for you, we start with a small deposit, sign an agreement, and open a Slack channel to keep communication smooth. Now let's talk about design. This is where the magic happens. Step 1. Gathering inputs. We start by collecting everything from the client. The brand logo, color palette, and competitor sites, and the reference websites they like. If they don't have these assets, no problem. We create them like logos, pitch decks, or even brand variations. Once this is ready, we move on. Step 2. Sitemap. We create a sitemap, basically blueprint for all key pages. Step 3. Information architecture. We structure the content flow and the navigation, then share it with the client for feedback. This ensures the website makes sense before designing anything. Step 4. Wireframes. Wireframes are like a layout draft. Client feedback here is super important. It saves time later. Step 5. Homepage design. We research and then the design homepage, keeping the client goals in mind. Once approved, we move on to all subpages. Step 6. Client review. All designs are shared via Figma, so clients can comment directly or reach out on Slack. Once every correction is done, the design is ready for handoff to development. Now that the design is ready and approved, it's time to bring it to life. This is where our development team takes over, running those Figma designs into fully functional live website. Let me walk you through exactly how we do it. Step 1. Project setup. First, we create a new project in Webflow or framework. This is like laying the foundation of the house. We also set up fonts, colors, buttons, so the website looks consistent everywhere. Step 2. Building the structure. Next, we build the desktop version. We follow the sitemap wireframes so every page matches the approved design. Now the website starts to feel real, not just a picture. Step 3. CMS and dynamic content. If the website has a blog, we set up a CMS. This lets clients add or update content easily without coding. Step 4. Adding content. Then we put in text, images, videos, and other media. We also make sure everything easy to read and good for Google. Step 5. Responsiveness and interactions. Next, we make the site looks good on all devices: desktop, tablet, and mobile. We also add small animations and effects to make the site feel alive. Step 6. SEO and accessibility. Integrations. We make sure Google can find the site and everyone can use easily. We also connect forms, analytics, and the tracking tools. Step 7. Testing. We test the website on different browsers and devices. We check forms, buttons, and animations. If anything is wrong, we fix it before launch. Step 8. Launch preparation. Before going live, we connect the domain, add security, and remove the test content. We double check the speed and functionality so everything runs smoothly. Step 9. Publish and post launch. Finally, we publish the website, first a staging version for review, then live on custom domain. We test again to make sure everything works perfectly. And just like that, the website goes from an idea in Figma to fully live and ready to get results. Once the client approves the final live site, we request the balance payment. This ensures everything is clear and smooth for both sides before officially closing the project. Even after your website goes live, we are not done. We give 1 month of full support. So if anything breaks or you need small changes, we take care of it. After that, bigger updates or new features cost extra. But don't worry, we are always clear about it. For busy businesses who don't want to stress about updates, we have a maintenance plan. It covers regular updates to keep your site fresh and secure. Quick fixes if something stops working. Performance checks, A/B tests to improve results. Adding a new pages, blog post or products. SEO and analytics check keep your site performing. Support for forms, tracking scripts, CRM and other tools. Basically, it's perfect if you want your site to run smoothly without thinking about it. So why choose VictorFlow? We have completed over 200 web projects for clients in India, the USA and the UK, including 50 plus websites built completely from scratch. We handle everything from design to launch. Communication is fast and easy using Slack. No hidden cost and no expensive teams. You save money. Your website will be fast, responsiveness, focused on getting results. And we stay with you after launch so you are never left on your own. In short, we don't just make a website. We make websites that actually help your businesses, and we keep the process simple and stress-free. So that's the full journey from our first client call to design, development, and finally launching a website that really works. Whether you are a business owner or a freelancer, web designer, this is the process we follow, deliver the great website quickly and efficiently. If you need to help with UA, UX design, development, CRO or SEO, we offer different pricing options, including flexible plans. You can reach us by call or WhatsApp anytime. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a video about web design, webflow and growing digital projects. I am Altaf from VictorFlow and I will see you in the next video.